sum. Here today we're going to go through how to simplify algebraic expressions, especially the complex ones that we cannot easily divide and break down. Now let's look at these examples. It says simplify the following expressions: p squared minus 81 divided by p squared plus 7p minus 18. If we have expressions like this, it will not be easy to start dividing each section as usual with these simple expressions. But these type of expressions require us to understand the concept of factorization before we can simplify them. Now, if we look at this, in the numerator we have p squared minus 81. The first thing we must always do is to figure out the type of factorization or the method of factorization that we can use to break down both the numerator and the denominator, and then we look out for what can cancel out so that we get a simplified expression. Let's start with this first one. If we look at this, it says simplify. What we have in the numerator can be simplified or factorized using the difference of two square method. If we factorize this, we have, remember, this is p squared minus 81. 81 is the same thing as having 9 squared. So if we use dots to factorize, we will have p minus 9 and p plus 9. We go to the denominator. The denominator is a trinomial expression, so we can use trinomial factorization. Remember the approach? Look for two terms. Now when you add them, it gives you the middle number. When you multiply the same two numbers or two factors, it gives you the last one. So let's see. What two numbers can we add or subtract to give us 9? 7, and then add or multiply to give us negative 18. So we look at 9. So if we have 9, positive 9, and we have minus 2. 9 minus 2 will give us 7. 9 times negative 2 will give us negative 18. So this is fully factorized. When we are done, the next thing we do is to look out for what we can cancel out. These brackets can take out these brackets, and then whatever we have left, we write it down, and we have simplified the expression. Likewise, on this other side, we have the numerator and the denominator. The numerator we can simplify using factorization. We can factorize using the grouping method. So if we group this and this, our common factor will be x squared. Then we have x minus 2. Remember, you divide each section with your common factor. And on this other side, 16 can go through into 32. So we take out negative 16 as our common factor. And if we divide this with negative 16, we have x. 32 divided by negative 16 will give us negative 2. We have a common bracket. That way we know that we have factorized correctly using the grouping method. You must return a common bracket on both sides. The denominator is also trinomial. So we look for two numbers, and when we add them, it gives us the middle. When we multiply them, it gives us the last. So we go with x plus 4 and x minus 2. 4 minus 2 gives us a positive 2. 4 times negative 2 gives us a negative 8. Now we go further to complete our grouping. So this gives us x squared minus 16 if we take out the ones outside, and our common bracket is x minus 2, which serves as a common factor here. And then we have x plus 4 into x minus 2. Now look at this, we can go on and on. X minus 2 can cancel out x minus 2. Is it fully simplified? We now add. If we check our bracket here, we have something that looks like a dot. Difference of two squared. So it means we are not done. We can still do something. Remember, simplification means continue working until there's nothing else you can do. So here we take that out. If we use difference of two squared to factorize this, because this is x squared minus 4 squared. So if we use dot, we will have x minus 4 on the numerator and x plus 4 left. Remember, the denominator, we still have x plus 4 left. Now we can cancel out what is left. This x plus 4 can cancel out x plus 4. Our final answer is x minus 4 for this expression. So using factorization, we can easily simplify complex algebraic expressions. Please remember to continue to share my video and continue to study, and always remember to ask your questions. No matter how difficult it is, I am here to support you. I will see you in the next video. Bye for now. Be good.